going to be doing today, Addie Marie?
Hey, this.
What is it?
It's a puppet fidget.
What is it?
It's a puppet fidget.
Puppet fidgets. Let's see what we have here. Oh, these are awesome. You have a rainbow.
Yeah, this is rainbow because this have red and blue and green and purple and red.
Cool. And then we have a dinosaur.
Yeah, that's my favorite.
That's your favorite? And what's
yeah.
this one?
That is a butterfly. It has blue and pink and green. It has this.
Blue, pink, green, and yellow.
Pink and blue and yellow.
Cool. And this one we have a Halloween pumpkin. Pumpkin head.
Sure. It has some with things right here.
Mhm.
They have red and blue and red.
And what is this? Yellow.
Yellow, yeah.
And orange.
Orange,
And
yeah.
purple.
Purple, yeah.
And
That's
here we
what
have a little princess unicorn.
These are kind of some.
Okay, so let's hear you pop it. Let's see who can pop out first. Ready?
Ready? Go.
Let's go. Wow, that's really fast.
Yeah.
I'm almost finished.
Oh, let me do this one.
Pop, pop, pop. Hooray!
Yay!
That's awesome. Let's do some more. We have the butterfly, the dinosaur, and the rainbow.
Okay. So I'm gonna do a really beautiful one. So the butterfly can fly up in the air so she can push Simon higher.
Okay, so let's go.
What is that? Look at the pink.
It's all done. Cool. We have two more. Let's go. You have your rainbow.
I have purple right here.
Let me help you. Pop, 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 pop. All done.
Go down.
That's the dinosaur. You put it on the counter so it's easier to pop. Hooray! All done.
Done. Bye.
Okay, so what do you have here now?
Blocks.
We have Lego blocks.
Lego. So this is pink
Uh-huh.
and blue and red
Mm-hmm.
and green
Mhm.
and pink and green and purple.
And purple. Cool. So we're gonna do some building today.
Yeah. So I'm gonna build a house with me.
We're gonna build a house?
Yeah.
Awesome. Let's get started.
Okay.
Okay, hi.
Hi.
Okay, let's see what you built.
I built a bathroom here.
Uh-huh. And what's this?
This is a castle.
A castle?
Yeah.
Oh, and what's this?
This is a house.
A house? And what's this?
This is my car.
It's a car. Cool.
This is a man car.
Good job. Yay. Let's see your castle.
Yeah.
This is your little mom there. Oh, it's a cool tower.
Yes, I think the bathroom
And
right
this
here.
is a bathroom, and this is your car.
Yes, so I made the castle right here because no the water follow right here.
Mm-hmm.
So I wanted to fall up there because I fall and then the water go right here.
Cool.
And the water don't go right here.
Okay.
Bye.
Bye, guys.
Bye, guys.
See you next time.
See you.